Hi, Michael. This is Dr. Garrett Dickers. In answering to your question, so basically when you get into Adobe Express, so I just Googled, let me change it here so you can see the address bar. I just Googled Adobe Express login. So if you just type in Adobe Express login up here, this top one, adobe.com/express, takes you here. So you have to sign in. And if you remember, as we talked about in class, you actually might have missed this on the first day. You have to log in with school account. Use your university email address, even if you have another one, because this gives you access to all of it for free. Click here on company or school account. So you had to do twice. Log in with school account, then put your information, then click in company school account. I'm already logged in to my email this morning, so it didn't ask me for the single sign-on. So it'll probably pop up with the Duo security thing that you get where you have to say, yes, I'd like to access my UNCW account if you're not already logged in. So once you're in Adobe Express, there's all these different kinds of things you can do. And there's popular templates, Instagram posts, etc. The easiest thing, and this is what the students did in the examples, you go to this purple plus, click, scroll down till you get to web page. Click on web page, and this is the design or layout that they used. So it gives you a very basic layout. You can go up here to the right hand side and click a theme if you want to change like the basic theme. So say I really like this, and then it just changes the basics. This is a very, very basic system, okay? So I'll pick Luca, close back off the theme. So then literally all you do is it's a WYSIWYG editor, so you just click to type. WYSIWYG means what you see is what you get. And then you put your name, date, class, whatever you want to put there. And then you click on these plus buttons to add things. So when you click on the plus button, you can add a photo, you can add a short cover, which is like a little picture at top. You can add a split layout, you can do all kinds of things. And then when you scroll down, you click here, and then you can add photos here, add the text, button, video, photo grid, glide show, split layout, etc. So one of the things that asks you to do is, your 10 values. So you might do the text here, and then you can even just bullet your values. And then if you want to add a picture to it, you can upload your own pictures, or you can pick one of theirs. So, for this purpose, I'm just showing you how to make it work. So if it has this little crown, that means it's not free. So this one's free, so we'll click that one. Now you've got the picture, and here are your values. So, and then you just click on the plus button and you add something else. So it really is a very simple kind of editor. So again, just to go back from the beginning, once you're logged in, you have to click log in with school account twice, basically. You go up to this plus, you pick the web page, and then you just fill in what you want. So those that have like scrolling pictures, where as you scroll through you see pictures, that's a glide show. So like you can just add in all the pictures. So you can kind of glide through and see lots of different pictures there. So if you want to add in your own, etc. So then I click save, and then I can type here in the box value 1, whatever you want to do. And then you scroll down, and here you can click on value. You can add text and do value 2, or whatever you want to, however you want to organize it. So hopefully that helps, and I look forward to seeing your project tomorrow.